Okay, all right, continuing on, starting to drill out some spot welds along the panel in preparation of taking this side panel off and using the rotor cutter and a little 12-volt drill in low. So it can go nice and slow. Using a center punch with pretty good accuracy, getting the center of it, that helps you set the little tip in there. And then you can cut out the spot weld. And usually the panel will actually pop up, or you'll hear a little crack when you cut all the way through. And then you definitely can tell when you stop and you take your little blade and you can go through there like that. But most of them you can actually go all the way across. Then you know for sure that you've cut those. I still got to cut this one actually. Yeah, I didn't even get started on it. But I'm gonna demonstrate how that process goes over here. I got to cut a bunch. Actually, there's a really thick ones right here on this anchor. Let's see, I got a couple right here. Sorry about the loud noise. Should have told you, warned you. The reason you got to get them really good is because the cutter size that I'm using is just the size of the spot weld on right here. These are all seem to be the same size. So that way you're not cutting out any more metal than you need to be. And then every now and then if it's off a little bit, it'll kind of oblong the hole, and you just have to move it over a little bit just to cut the edge again. So far I've been pretty accurate with the mark, just by eyeballing it with the punch. So, all right. That actually, I'm gonna go ahead and move to this one just to show you how easy this one is. Regular panel. That's pretty much it right there. That went through right there. I may have left a little bit, but doesn't take much to finish it off once you get that far. But I think that one's cut. I didn't put a center mark on this, but I should be able to do it without it. Those tips are pretty sharp. Yep, threw that one all the way, and we're through that one all the way. As you can see the silver straight through. So, and look, I don't want to bore y'all with going through over this entire thing. All right. So I've kind of been working at this every evening after I'm done off work. And, I've already used up 2 of my cutters. These guys are worn down. Got about 25 or 30 holes out of one. I mean, it'll still cut, but it's taken considerably longer. And I think what really did it was messing these dadgum roof rack mounts. So like this one over here. So these are the roof racks welded, spot welded here and here to that plate. But the only one that goes through and through the whole deal is the one that's off center. So it's the one off to the side. And it's the same for this one too. And you can actually kind of see it right there as I was chipping away at it. Just lifting this up, you can kind of see the edge of it right there. Okay, there we go. And this doesn't matter because this is junk. So yeah, you can see this is the one that went through and through down here. But the one next to it, this spot weld doesn't go through, and it's actually adhesive. And it looks like they only put the bonding adhesive kind of at this pillar and then the one down here, but nothing in between, from what I can tell. As I'm going back now and peeling these back. And this top part of the panel is coming off. Yeah, there's no adhesive here at all, which is odd. I thought they would have had it along the whole thing, but I'm sure there's some more in the door area. Yeah, this whole piece is off. I kind of really want to just get this piece off so I can see what's going on down here. I may even grinder cut it and take it off in a section, because this is destroyed anyway. I'm not saving it. And I've kind of been going back and taking off some of this windshield adhesive, scraping it off, getting it down to where I can just take the wire wheel and buff it off. I know I went far enough. The main thing using them is you don't want to walk like that. The more you do that, you're damaging the blade. So you really just want to slowly bring it in. Get that one tooth on the bit is longer than the others. That's the one that's initial engagement. They can't all be the same depth of cut. Dang it. So when it's uneven, like this is actually, I need to angle a little bit to get it going. I think that'll be enough. I got my fan going, but I tell you what, it's pretty hot out here. I didn't quite. Oh wait. I went to the wrong laminate. That's also another problem. There's 3 laminates right here. Yeah. Well, definitely not the recommended way, but this is another way to remove spot welds. If you got a chip panel like this that you don't care about. So I had to hit on this a little bit, and I noticed when I caught the lip of it, it just ripped it off. Hey, that's a great plan. What about if I can take this badass blade right here and
cut the weld off. And yeah, as you can see, get you down here, that just cut straight through that weld. And sometimes it tries to like cut through the metal a little bit, but if it does that, you just go sideways and cut that piece off. And yeah, I think that's pretty slick. So I went ahead and just tried my new 3M 3/8 by 13 little sanding belt. The 3M works a hell of a lot better. So just take a gander at this as an example. I've already cut through these pretty quick, but in there pretty good. So I should be able to, yeah, so I cut through it. Not quite, but the
see up here. I got it all the way loose up to the front. I got it all the way loose back here. And now I got those done, those done. The next big spot is to do this section here. So, I mean, I got this, but now I gotta get, I don't know if I have to take this tab off or not, but I know I got a couple. I kind of wanted to drill these out. And then of course these are bolted as well. It's a 13 there. So I need to take these out. I know it's not attached to this panel, but I'm replacing this as well. So. Alright, so that these two take this part off. Like I said, I don't know if this spot weld is structural or not, or is it just, or did they tack that before they mounted the panel? So this is not through and through the laminates. I have no idea. I wouldn't think it would be. So technically this will just peel off, yeah. That's where the bolts are. I'm surprised there's no seam sealer there. They don't. I think that's it. I can start to see the other layer of metal. It's close enough that it's going to tear it loose though. Pretty close. Okay, maybe gotta get a little bit more. It's the old hammer. That done. Okay. And then got one right here. Alright, so I got you guys down here with me. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Let's see. So this lip is bent right here. I don't know, some asshole must have jacked up on it. You know. Some dude. But anyway, it didn't hurt nothing. It's just the outer piece. The other three laminates lifted the car. So. We can get our first cut down here. I don't know, how am I going to get... There it goes. Okay. Yep. Nope, that's it. It went through. Bloop. First cut. Hey, was that one even welded? What? There's a spot weld right there. Apparently it was... Oh, it had glue between it. Well, Tesla, what the heck, man? Or no, plastic. Oh, that's when that piece went through there. Maybe it broke the weld. I don't know. I don't think it broke the weld. Looks like... Yeah, there's no way that was welded. It looks like this layer and this layer was welded, but not... Huh.
definitely don't want to bore you. I mean, it's an open plan going that way. This is the harder section, having to get those corners. Excuse me. Let's see, over here, looks like I got a bunch right here, and apparently there's none. Yeah, I don't think there's any right here. No, there's two right here. Okay, barely could see them, but there's two spots right there. Here and here. So there's two there. And then this piece should come off. So I don't have the special tool. It's a long, flat cutter blade that runs the length to cut the urethane this way and this way. And then, I mean, the easiest place to cut is right here. So I may be able to take this blade and actually cut right here, but I won't be able to get up in here. So what I might do then is take and shove the blade like this all the way around until I get it out, and that should free it up and it'll come off. And once it comes off, then I can do the spot welds, which are around this perimeter. Then this part of the quarter panel should come off. So I'm just taking my torch. Don't get it red hot, just get it pretty warm, not enough to make fumes. And I've just been running it through the glass until I come out, right? And once you feel it pop through, you've cut through that part of the glass. And then, so I got this, this little piece right here. Cut this off. Okay, so I got that off. So I'm still attached up here at the top, I think. Yeah. All right, got that off. I got that broke loose, so I'm really just stuck back there in the back. So I'm just gonna cut along, and I better hold this thing because if I cut through, it's gonna fall around on the floor. So I'm just cutting in the back corner, and oh, wait, okay, that's it. All right. All right, so I think I'm gonna just go ahead and try for this because I can see that most of these spot welds are that are still attached. I can get to, not spot weld, I'm sorry, rivets. This is steel and this is aluminum, so it's a steel to aluminum rivet with the bonding adhesive as a separator. But the ones in here are already torn off, so I don't need to get to these. They're already ripped out. So the only other one I need to get to is this one over here, which I can get to. And then I'm pretty sure it's just seam sealer or something right here. And this lower section should come off. Or no, there's maybe one more right here. And these that are exposed. So once I have those, I should be able to take the steel off from here and pull it back just with my hands, I believe. So. Alright, so I had to go with another plan of attack here. I went ahead and took the grinder and I cut here and I cut all the way down here so that I got this part off. I'm pretty sure. Ow, it's hot. Not there anymore. It's still hot. I think it's coming off, fellas. I really think she's coming off. What a monumental effort here. Okay. That's off. Dang, man, this thing took a lick. That's what's going on here, man? Why is this guy coming off? I wonder if I just peel it off. Yeah. So what was the issue? Oh, there it is. So this is what was holding me up. Big old gob of stuff right there. This is what threw me off earlier. This is just kind of floating in there. So lots of foam dam here. Let's see, so adhesive points are back here. I still got to take this off. I got a plan for that now, because now I can get to this joint. Turns out this was all broken loose, but I forgot to break my welds right here. So I have to take my flat blade and go in here. And this is purple adhesive in here. That's why I couldn't take that piece off. So, but once I do that, this little section will come off. So, there we go. And as I figured, this, oh shit, that's a stress crack. Damn. All right, well, that's definitely bad news. I thought I saw something when I was kind of, trying to knock this over a little bit. Well, anyway, when I take this one off, I'm gonna see what it's gonna take to replace this one. Looks like I might be able to slip it from underneath. I think it's just this half section right here. Big thick piece here. But anyway, let's carry on. Go back looking at this stuff. So underneath, looks like a little bit of water or dirt got in there.
Another one of those, but all this looks good. Yeah, this is all straight. Yeah, no, this all looks good. So yeah, it pretty much was just the outer. So it looks like I'm good up to about here. Damn. I could probably pull that. So this was my idea. I'm probably gonna have to section this thing. I don't think you can, but I'm gonna have to do something here. Maybe at this rib, and then put this piece on the back, because yeah, this is too far. I'd have to go way too far into this thing. And this is the only other issue here. It's this little piece. Little lip over. So I'll straighten that out. That's just where that corner kind of pushed it over. This is not compromised at all. It just bent the lip over. Looks like I ripped this out. It's a little drain hole for the charge port. But this is all aluminum. I'm gonna have to pull this back up and reattach it right there. Is this steel right here? Still wondering now, actually. Let's see. Little magnet. This is aluminum. This is aluminum. Oh, so it's steel. Wait, is it? No. Nope, this is all aluminum. The little inserts are steel. The rivets are steel. Wait, what? That's aluminum? That's aluminum? No. Holy crap, that's aluminum. I didn't know that was aluminum. Oh, I can see it now. No, this is aluminum. It felt, it was very stiff when it got bent right there. Well, dang. Yeah, because that would require changing this whole damn piece. I'd be taking out the whole side of the car to do that. All the way, and then underneath. I'd have to take this reinforcement piece off. Yeah, this piece is steel. Aluminum. Steel. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm taking off this front apron, or shotgun, they call it. Not the entire shotgun, not the lower, but the upper outer and the upper outer inner. Because it's been pushed in, and it is damaged. It's not, I don't think it's gonna be that difficult compared to everything else.